Hey, good afternoon, everybody. Welcome into the Rockstarflipper YouTube channel. A beautiful Saturday, September 22nd, 2018. This is Ruskin, Florida, just down the road from where I filmed last time. I'm trying to show you guys around Florida a little bit, but today I'm going to talk about accountability, consistency, and sticking to a schedule. A lot of you guys are having a real problem because you work for a couple of days and then you take a few days off, and we all do it. We all get lazy. On my live show Thursday, we talked about what it takes to hit numbers. And mostly when you set numbers and goals, there's an average per day, say 5 items or 10 items or whatever, or $100 a day in sales. That's every single day, 7 days a week, 30 days out of the month, not 3 days here, 3 days there, 3 days next. And so inside of my VIP group, we actually have an accountability spreadsheet, which I have been slacking on. I got to update that. But you don't have to be in my VIP group to create your own accountability spreadsheet. So go into Google Docs. You can just Google search, Google Docs, Google Sheets, open up a Google spreadsheet. It's shareable. You can create columns that say, like, you know, today's date, the next day, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. You can restart it every week. And then you can put goals next to that. New eBay listings, new Poshmark listings, total sales for the day, total number of items shipped, total number of this, number of that, number of shares, number of whatever you want to put in there. And then, because it's in a Google Sheet or a Google Doc, you can invite other people using their Gmail in order to have them share that document with you, and you guys can watch each other and keep each other accountable for what you're doing. And so that's pretty much how you have other people kind of watching over you, because you have this sheet that's shareable and editable by everyone just by getting on the website. You can create an Excel document and save it and send it back and forth between each other, but that's really not convenient. It takes too much time. This is really, really easy. It takes just a couple of minutes a day to fill out, and then you guys will be watching over each other and sticking to your schedule so you can actually hit those numbers. And at the end of every week, the column, you can create a column that says goal, and let's say it's 50 listings on eBay or 50 on Posh or whatever, and then it will total up that column and tell you, you know, you only hit 45, you were 5 short, or, you know, whatever the total might be. So accountability and sticking to a schedule, consistency, all are a huge part of why some people succeed and some people don't. You might be good at something for a couple of days, but if you take 3 or 4 days off, you're done. Being on YouTube and being on other things, we see our views go up and down and up and down. That's just one example. If I take a day off and don't post a video, you'll see my views go down. It works that way for every YouTuber. If you take a day or two off of eBay and you don't list, you're not editing, you're not checking prices. If you take a day or two off Poshmark and you're not sharing or making offers, you might sell 2 or 3 items every single day for a week. But if you go a week and you don't sell anything, well, your numbers are not going to hit those averages. You're not going to hit your goals. So just keep that in mind. Consistency and accountability, and you should create that sheet. Let me go over to my computer. I'll show you guys quickly how to create an accountability sheet and how to stick to a schedule when you're a business owner, regardless of what business you do. Even if you're not a reseller, if you're doing something else, you know, making X pieces of jewelry every day or emailing X number of people every day, I'll show you on my computer. Let's check it out, and hopefully this will help you guys get your butts in gear, get motivated, and stick to those schedules. Okay, so this is our sample spreadsheet, our accountability spreadsheet for the VIP group. Now, I've blacked out people's names because I don't want you guys to see who they are. You can go in the VIP group and you'll have full access to this sheet if you want. But here's just an example of what people will put up. And so I changed the dates, and everybody's is going to be, you know, not accurate for this week. But you can see new eBay listings, new Posh listings, Poshmark items sold, new eBay listings, eBay listings, eBay listings. Everybody trying to, you know, get up new listings, get up items sold. As we scroll down, you can see Amazon FBA shipments going out. Just every goal for each individual person. And as we change, it's different people and different goals. So then it's separated by the days. And so we have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. This will reset on Monday. Everybody's numbers will go to 0. And then at the end, it's going to total all their numbers up. As they input numbers, it will total it and give you a number of the amount that you're at as you input it each day. And then next to the total is the goal. So for example, this person wanted to put up new eBay listings. Their goal was 100 for the week. And at the point that they stopped inputting, they were at 58. And then the last column is how many that this person was short. They fell 42 short. Now, they had a couple more days to input, so they should have caught up and probably made their goal. And then after that, it's what percent of your goal did you reach? And so that's 58% of the goal. Obviously, 58 out of 100 is 58%. But my guess is that this particular person, because I know who it is, probably hit that goal at the end of the week. Now, next week, I will reset everything and keep everybody on it. Now, this not only allows you to track your progress and your goals and your percentage in hitting and plus minus, it also allows other people to see you, and we can kind of go over here and see who's in the low percentages. If people are only reaching 0% or 10% of their goals or 3% or what have you, we can really give them a reminder like, hey, you're not really, meeting your goals. You're not really doing the work that you need to do, and you should stay on top of it. And it's definitely an accountability thing. And when you have to update it and you are updating it and people are watching you, you're more likely to keep up with it. The same with like your accounting. If you're actually putting the money in and you're making money, you'll love to keep updating your QuickBooks because you're making money. When you hit your goals, you'll love to type in, hey, I put up 20 listings today, and it feels good to check it off. So this is something you can join the VIP and be a part of this spreadsheet, and that's perfectly fine. If you don't want to be, then create one yourself. Here it is. Screenshot this. Go into Google Sheets, Google Docs, docs.google.com, select Sheets, and then just fill this all in with, the names of the people, their goal. You can fill out the dates, you can fill out the total, the goal, the plus minus, and the percentage. If you don't know how to do like formulas and totals and the sum of, like using this button, which is the sum of, then get somebody that knows how to do Excel to help you. I have a video on how to do it. You'd have to search way back in my videos, or you can just YouTube search how to do formulas on Excel, and somebody on there can teach you how to do it. I'm not going to include it on this video because the point of this video is just to show you that you can reach your goals and you can keep each other accountable. We'd love to have you in the VIP group. If you want to join, by all means, message me. I'll get you in. It's very special pricing until the end of the month. I've been advertising it all month. It is going to end in 9 days, so make sure you do get in. Monthly, 6-month, or year specials, whatever you choose. And this accountability sheet and everybody helping you out is just one of the benefits of being inside of that group among the others. So we would love to have you, but otherwise, just screenshot this and you can make your own spreadsheet and keep it on your own. So get out there, do good, guys, hit your goals, make your goals for fourth quarter. You can create this sheet to go a month from now, 6 months from now, however long you want it to go. So make realistic goals. And if you see week over week that you're not hitting them, reduce the goals, because it feels a lot better to hit those goals and check them off than to not hit them and discourage yourself. So make sure you keep that in mind as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. Enjoy your weekend. Have a wonderful Saturday and Sunday, and we'll talk again real soon. See you next time.